Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about entering dividends in Xero. So whether you're managing your own investments or handling company distributions, this is something you want to get right. So first, go ahead and log into Xero and go to your accounting menu. Then click on bank accounts. From there, you then have to choose the account where the dividend was received. And if it hasn't hit your account yet, you can still set it up as a pending transaction. So next, you're going to have to click on add transaction and select received money. So here you will then be able to enter the dividend details. This includes the date, amount, and who paid for it. So for the reference, I usually just add the company name and the type of dividend, so it's just easy to track later on. Now for the important part, the account coding. You want to code dividends to dividend income or your preferred income amount. If it's a Franklin credit dividend, you can also add a tax component so your records match the ATO reporting requirements. Xero also makes this very simple with tracking categories if you need to split between entities or shareholders. And after that, simply double check the GST and tax settings. So most dividends are GST free, but it's always good to confirm. Then you have to click on save and your dividend will then appear in your bank feed or your account ledger. And finally, if handling multiple dividends or recurring payments, you can also set up repeating transactions in Xero. This keeps everything automated and reduces manual entry each time. And that's it. So entering dividends in Xero is pretty straightforward once you know the workflow. So if this was helpful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.